word of today is drift. Drift. Here, under the autumn sun, Mr. Swan is stretching his long neck and gracefully plunges back into water, wagging his tail. He's come to the lake shore to broom his feathers, to keep them in perfect shape. There's no struggle when he swims, no resistance. In the same way as fallen leaves which landed in water are drifted in the current, this swan is drifting away, swimming, paddling far from the shore. Drifting is an art, is to let yourself go, be pushed by air or water, like the swan. Autumn leaves wait for autumn wind to reach the unreachable places. A wise mind waits for silence for the same reasons.